once again, welcome to this video. So now we're going to cover something very simple and basic, a very cool feature in Windows 10. Now, should it happen that your PC is running a little slow and sluggish, and you've tried a couple of things, maybe you've tried to optimize here and there, and it's still not working smoothly, well, good news. Now, you have this option in Windows 10 where you can refresh your PC or reset your PC. Refresh your PC being that you could actually do a PC reinstall without affecting your applications or any of the programs you've installed and your files all intact. Resetting your PC simply means taking the system back to factory default, just like you have just installed Windows 10 afresh with all your drivers installed. Okay, so how do we get to do that? Simple. Press down on your Windows key and type settings. Okay, you could do that, or another way to go about that is this menu here. So you click on that and hit settings. So once you open your settings, you want to scroll down to update and security. Under that, you want to click on the recovery tab. Okay, now here you have reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them and then reinstall Windows. So what it does is it does everything all here without you having to plug in a USB, a bootable flash drive, or a DVD or something. But nevertheless, you could have them handy in case the PC might request for you to put in a bootable media or something. So let's click get started and wait for it to come up. So now when you click on get started, you have two options: keep your files or remove everything. Okay, now if you have done a backup of your files and you want to remove everything, although either way, I usually would suggest that you keep a backup copy of your important files, because anything can go wrong. These things are their machines, their softwares, they are not perfect, although they try to make them as perfect as possible. But just to avoid stories that touch, right? You want to ensure you back up. Maybe you don't have enough space to hold all your files on your PC, but you want to back up the most important things to you. So at this point, you have an option to keep my files. Okay, and then it's going to tell you some of these apps will be removed, although to always create a log of them on your desktop after the process is complete. And then you next, and it begins the process. On the other hand, if you want to remove everything, you click on that, and you'd have just remove my files, remove files, and clean the drive. So this will be quicker. Obviously, you have all of those instructions there. This could take a few hours. So the essentials of what these options will do particularly are all spelled out. So left for you to decide exactly what it is you want to achieve. Click on it and then it proceeds. So right now I do not need to do any of this, so I'll just cancel this, and I hope you understand. Now for this, we're not covering this because this is majorly for advanced users. This would probably make you mess up, but in an advanced class we're going to actually cover all of the advanced features and things you can do with Windows 10. So for now, thank you for watching.